Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids, and the day is finally here. We have Everyday Tactical Vids patches available. So let me give you the details. The link is down below in the description section. The website is Patchshipfree.com. And I want to give a big shout out to Two Deep Creek. Check them out over on Instagram, and also to ProCampTech. If you know a fire starter, anything having to do with starting fires, bushcraft, survival, ProCampTech is definitely a great place to go. One of my favorite products is the fat rope stick you're probably familiar with. I'll put a link to my video that I made of that product down below in the description section as well. So working in partnership with those two guys, just solid dudes. We have this design and the patches are available. So it's $9.99 anywhere on the planet. So $10, you're going to get the patch and it's going to be shipped to you. No issues, no problems, no surprises. You're not going to put it in the cart and then find out that the shipping cost is another $7. $9.99 anywhere on the planet for an Everyday Tactical Vids patch. Super slick, really cool design. This is a raven, in case you're wondering, and I'll make a video in the future talking about why I chose a raven for my the animal. Basically, that's going to be the main image behind my my logo. But yeah, these are rubberized. They come with the Velcro on the back already. Just they're solidly made. Sometimes you get patches, and like as soon as you get them, they're peeling off. These are really nicely put together. So again, $10 shipped anywhere in the world. Let me show you a couple other patches that they have available over there. This is the ProCampTech logo. Again, rubberized, hook and loop on the back. Here's his fire kit Velcro patch, which is again rubberized. I love this one. I have this on my fire kit. It's just great to be able to have a cool patch that also identifies something that's helpful. And then here's a newer one, mesmerized, which is a cool one as well. Rubberized hook and loop on the back as well. All right, guys, that is it. I just want to let you know about the patches being available. I'll post links, like I said, down below in the description section and also on other social media as well. So check them out. Pick up your patches while they are available. Everyday Tactical Vids patches available over at Patchshipfree.com. All right, thanks as always for checking out the videos. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.